know. This is why sometimes braids just don't want to cooperate, but okay. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I'm Millennial's World. For those who are not subscribed, please subscribe. And for those who are subscribed, thank you. The support is always appreciated. Today, I wanted to do a tutorial on how I do my makeup. I'm not a makeup person at all. I'm probably the laziest person on the face of this planet. Like, I like to just get up in the morning, get dressed, after I take a shower, squirt some perfume here and there, and then get out the door. People who wake up at like 6 a.m. to do their makeup, I just don't even understand because I just don't have the energy to do that. So I'm going to be doing a very basic, simple makeup tutorial. It's the same type of makeup that I wear in every single video that I make. So stick around and watch the entire video. My cousin told me I take way too long on my eyebrows. I was in Atlanta and she did her whole face of makeup and I was still doing my eyebrows. But that's because I have a little scar here. When I was a kid in like elementary school, I didn't want to go to school. And I may or may not have accidentally hit my head on something, and then to my surprise, my eyebrow was bleeding. So now I have a scar here for life. Eyebrows are the most important to me. I really don't care about anything else. Some people may use a brush for their primer, some people may whatever, but the quickest way for me to do it is to just use my hands. I don't mind, my hands are clean, I just wash them. So yes, I'm going to be doing a lot of unorthodox things. People who like love makeup or makeup gurus are probably going to be cringing as I'm doing my makeup, but again, this is like the quick and dirty way. Well, I don't want to say that, but the quick and easy way to do your makeup and get out the door. I use this brush for my eyebrows and this e.l.f. lock-on liner and brow cream. Sometimes it gets really dry, and when I put my eyebrow stuff on, I want it to look really seamless, as if there's nothing even on there. So I always either dip this in water or I'll just really quick. And I clean all my brushes pretty often, especially my eyebrow brush, probably like every day, because if I do that trick, that's one of the things. So. one is complete. You may not notice why or realize why I put it, but of course we all see our own imperfections differently than everybody else does. I kind of went overboard, but sometimes I do it under my eyebrows to just kind of get rid of a little bit of those dark spots, and then I put a little bit on the dark spots. I move a lot quicker than when I'm filming. It normally takes me on average probably to do this about 25-30 minutes, and this is like my full face, full coverage. I only do this when I'm either, you know, going out with someone, going out with friends, going to a party, sometimes going to church. That's the only time I'll do this. When I go to work, I really just do my eyebrows and put mascara on, and that takes me about 5 minutes. But this is my full coverage. So right now I've been using the Face and Body Foundation from MAC. I'm kind of over MAC right now. I feel like it breaks my face out, so I don't like using it that much. I bought Bare Minerals and I hate it. It makes my face look ashy, so I've just been using the Face and Body until I can go buy a new foundation. Again, I don't use it that much. I've had this foundation since 2013, and I've had this illuminating highlighter since 2013 as well. Actually, most of this stuff I've had for a really long time. Like this concealer I bought the same time, so probably about 2013. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, yeah, so about 5 years I've had all these foundations, and I don't really use them that much. Japonesque I use a lot more, but yeah, so this is exactly how I apply my foundation. Normally I use a little face spritzer, a little setting mist, that's what it is. Yeah, I use setting mist, but I am fresh out of setting mist. But apart from that, sometimes I'll put on some lip liner, some lip gloss, but for the most part, I really just like moisturizing lip balm or chapstick or whatever. I don't really like to do lipsticks that much. At most I'll use like a pinkish color, but that is it. I hope this video was helpful for someone. I'm gonna keep trying to do more makeup videos when I get new makeup. I'm due for some new foundation, I'm due for some new highlighters, I'm due for some new primer, so I'm gonna be trying new makeup and I'll keep posting, but this was the quick and simple way to get your makeup done. Thanks for watching, guys.